for this time with food. We're washing my dog. But I was about to wash his butt. If you want to see, just come over here. Yeah. Want to come on? Just come over. I'm washing his butt. I'm washing his back. He likes to rub on his stomach. Yep, he sure does love to. I need to wash his little head.
Why is he shaking? He's shaking. He's shaking.
Cold. I'm washing this little dog. Now I'm just gonna put him on this towel. Ah! Come on, Daddy.
Ayo, iyan ang siya tatati.
He can dry himself. Okay. Let's wrap him up. He's a good boy.
Alright, let's go over there.
Can I hold him? Can I hold him? You're an angel, baby. Can I hold him? Can I hold him? Wait. Can I hold him? Give me hard to put. Yeah. Back to the hair salon.
Just stay away.
Ugh. Wait. Can I do it? Can I do it?